Poboy Special here. Such a lovely day. What are you going to do on a lovely day? Of course, go shoot stuff. But I have invited a couple of friends to come along. Poboy Jr. and his friend. Let's go shoot.
Good shot.
Oh!
That's exactly what I wanted to do too.
It's just barely fizzing. You got to do it again. Think we got it.
No, I don't think we do. What the fuck?
Swing and a miss. Hey, bada, swing and a miss.
I didn't expect it to be over there.
Get off of me.
Oh, we have contact.
Contact.
Woo!
That one disintegrated.
Yes.
Yeah!
Mark.
Miss.
Yeah, I got that part.
Missed. The cabbage wins.
Cabbage does win on this one.
What I got?
What is that?
Ready?
If you would.
You hit it.
Oh, yeah. I barely hit it, but I
Still
hit
think we got one more throw out
it. Oh
of
yeah, we definitely do.
The cabbage is still winning.
No, I'm about to annihilate this cabbage.
You still got cabbage left. The cabbage is laughing at you.
F that cabbage. Hook.
That's how you got it.
Is it dead?
Yeah.
We're making sure the cabbage is dead. I think it's dead.
Hey.
Swing and a miss. Hey, bada, swing and a miss. We have separation. Finally.
I think it's dead.
I don't know. You ready?
Pull.
Mark, now that's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Finish him.
Wait. Cabbage tracks. Oh, there it is. I think it's dead. What do you think?
One more.
One more for good measure. Where do you start?
Okay, there it is.
You missed.
Oh, right over there. There's the core.
I do believe. I'm out.
No. Yes?
Which was easier to hit, the lettuce or the soda?
2 liter.
The 2 liter was easiest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which was the funnest?
Lettuce.
No.
Until you had a barrel.
I don't think so. Cause I think 2 liter was better.
Wow.
Cause once you had that one that sprayed, yeah.
That was fun.
Now the
Watching
2 liters are funner because they explode better.
Yeah.
But once you hit the lettuce or cabbage just right, it also has a really good explosive.
It indeed does.
It's kind of like a watermelon.
But you don't have to nick a watermelon, it'll
Yeah.
explode. But watermelons were $6.99. Those were 99 cents. So.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Well, good shooting, fellers.
Thank you.
Because you saw it here on the Poboy Special channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss another episode.